हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू जीके लर्निंग यूट्यूब चैनल बेस्ट इंग्लिश जीके फॉर यू। इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए। लास्ट में ऐसे 5 अमेजिंग क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगा जिनके आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए। इस वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना फॉर नेक्स्ट वीडियोस के लिए। चलिए गाइज, लेट्स स्टार्ट द जीके। विच क्रॉप इज सोल ऑन द लार्जेस्ट एरिया इन इंडिया? डी. Rice. Galileo was an astronomer who discovered 4 satellites of Jupiter. World's smallest country is D. Vatican City. What is the second largest country in a size? A. Canada. Which language is spoken in Karnataka? C. Kannada. Grand Central Terminal Park Avenue, New York is the world's B. largest railway station. Which one of the following was the first fort constructed by the British in India? B. Fort St. George. The state which has the largest number of sugar mills in India? D. Uttar Pradesh. The currency notes printed in B. Nasik. What is the world's most common reason? A. Christianity.
Durand Cup is associated with the game of C. Football.
Who invented the ballpoint pen? D. Biro Brothers. Which of the following days is observed as the World Environment Day? C. 5th June. What is innovation? D. All of this. Digital marketing is similar to C. Online marketing. The major advantage of a survey research is its A. Accessibility. Harsha Charita was written by B. Bhana Batuta. Who is the author of the book 1984? D. George Orwell. Author of Around the World in 80 Days. C. Jules Verne. Who wrote the book Gandhi and Stalin? C. Louis Fisher. Who is the author of Death in the Castle? C. Perlis Buck. Who is the author of Divine Comedy? C. Dante. Author of the Diary of a Young Girl is A. Anne Frank. A Gift of Monothesis. D. Ram Mohan Roy. David Copperfield is the name of A. B. Novel. Egg is the rich in the source of C. Protein.
Who is the brother of Lord Ganesha? A. Kartikya.
Who founded social website Facebook? D. Mark Zuckerberg.
Which part of the plant is called a sweet potato? C. Root.
Cotton is obtained from which part of a planet? D. Fruit. Who gave the slogan तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा in India? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. Which country is known as the land of white? C. Thailand. The most populous city in the world is B. Tokyo. Where is the moon get light from? D. Sun. Gir National Park in Gujarat famous for? B. Lion. Which flower plant grows in desert? D. Cactus. Taj Mahal is on the banks of C. Jamuna. Bible is the holy books of D. Christianity. The sun rises in the direction B. East. A house made of ice is called A. Igloo. Which is the widest river of India? C. Brahmaputra. Which is the smallest state of India in terms of area? A. Goa. Where is the Wagah border of India is located? C. Punjab. Which part of the body pumps blood to every part of the body? B. Heart. Where is the gateway of India located? C. Mumbai. Which of these is not a carnivore animal? B. Bull. Who was the first Indian astronaut went in space? D. Rakesh Sharma. Which of the flowers is white in color? C. Jasmine. Mass of ice that floats in the ocean is called A. Caberge. Which country has the most airports? A. United States of America. Last के 5 amazing questions guys. Which bird can turn its head around 3/4 of cycle? 2. Which game is played with bat, ball and wicket? 3. Where is Buland Darwaza located in India? 4. How many teeth does an adult human generally have? 5. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया गाइस। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।